it is painful. It hurts so bad. And it is if you have a father, that's it. Oh Lucy.
Sorry.
That's all free. Now a year that any on Emma Ebisa. Now so bad.
So finally, the 8 victims, all 8 victims, and now 8 passengers on board the helicopter now. A crash here last 2 weeks Wednesday, and all of them finally they have been laid to rest. They can see Alaji Muniru, Lumina Muniru. You know, and you see on that same day, you see Motala Mohammed. Just the day gone by, on Friday. Okay, Friday. The other 6, Mani Buama, Ernest, Ado, and the others, they were all laid to rest at the military cemetery. And really, Ghana, we are still recovering. We've not recovered fully from the death of these gallant men, Ghanaian men who died whilst delivering their service to the country. And we are told, sir, they were going or embarking on a journey to actually clamp down illegal mining in some parts of the country, and that is what happened. Now, on United Showbiz, Abena Kyei was one of the guests. Say when him say United Showbiz, they are not here. They didn't hold this Saturday's edition here in Accra as usual. This time around, I'm going to board on them. The United States of America. Why? Because of the Ghana Music Awards USA show now. So they decided to actually do the show live from the United States of America, and so it was a very good thing to actually watch. Fans and viewers could attest, say it was a very nicely produced show. For the next year, no wedding, no hobby. Clearly, we are all hits. It's an Abena Kyei, or also a United TV and a UTV presenter. He also had to give her take on the issue, and I won't lie, lady no we sweep, she hasn't been able to come out from the incident that happened, and she broke down whilst the program was still going. Meaning pai say enye ono nkwa na ofeli the way we feel, but enye obi na oyede wetin contain and answer ultimately this ade no esi tina Abena Kyei Boakye had some things to say about me akasa media ubisamia. I've had my share. Mesuye ba because mesuye meboa. Me mesuye on this particular Friday. Oh, mesuye but I did the usuka is a do be better than big jai because can you say idea? What do you mean?
Woman shiro o madishye no so. Me bo wo mabaso ye pa.
Wow.
Yenim said ye Ghana ya mamre esitie. Yenim said ye yesi so ye ho emu a yengina was an individual. It's as a wo de busua mu a busua ene man ni nyina e de, even though omo eye djuma se aban djuma ye fo ene asrafo de nanso omo de busua mu enka busua no betini decide aka say oh ye mpemu de mo fa ye de hye man ni ne aye nye wo mo eyeye because sabia kanfo ewo mu ene nwa no muslimi fo so ewo mu nanso the coordination and the collaboration omu nyina enya ye ne abotre so omu nyina ko benkro mu ema bibia ye di fom so na sabi omama ntawanta bia me take away sa reho na wo manfo mu enye sede na yesi pesa oman pesa ogya omu kwan no omu ma kwan abusia no so ayade pa meaning say incident ni see no omampanyini e de to just say ema anano fiada no kase hona obey elaborate on process because what setting up fund net obo photo to honor for emofrana
from a farm
omoja we chire no na mpo wo mo bi wo mo nsem no so no obetimi contribute to and me hu ne sa initiative no man payini aye no very good. Yes, ye jebi wu a ejebi ti ase usana mpemfo aka se ye ka de dadai ewisia wo obi be hwe pa na se won se chi be yo de se won sayem enti se wo papa enti se wo mame se nipa no empo obefe wo bisa wo se wo ho tesen wo school we didi I think say eno no alone no crampo no etimi ya rechichire bi emam na nei utu wani a wo hu nipa ni bio eto da wo se bi no ho no mo a beginning say no obi sympathize obi empathize
you know bi
a no na obi akọ na ka ma menko a aka eyure nko na mmofra no aya ne mu odin ene duru baby o tumi enkonko srade eno so die ne nipa beka but at least so man na timi abofutu obi sa na eye kana bitimi aso emofra ne so nti we die me use this opportunity na media catch obi ase se wo pese we yi bi ma
betimi
it is no easy
okay
se papa wo na so wo hwe ma obetimi akwa chichichi se bi se ne konkra na ode besi wonom aka se wode hwe ne ma eye between won ne ma entemu asem a obia enni honom na nso ne wo mu nni ho enti kwan a obefa so no eye ana se ma me eye den ti ese so obia enyi bi na wonfa enso emmo ase de be ya mofa no dache wo mani enkototo no mu hu se omo papa no sacrifices omo ye no anye kwa etimi aso me sebi omo anko se omo kwa akoji wo mani eye oman no ho adwuma no mo ye ya sa oha we say nyina ekobaye na anosa ka BBC so this is not the time yen sebia asofo no manase edunsifo echiri asemo no na obi ba beye ya somedaye na ye somedaye no you say there's going to be another person amasa wo ye menese
se wo mpe
ye mema ye mma bi ensi
enka ho
any presidential envoy o ma create won commission bia fakona it also comes with its own when come there now so ye ma sanity emra ewo se bi omuwo no echi na commentaries no so no ye nya hwe yi esansa asema wo beka to no that should be ne ma benyine no mo ba betia na se nya asemo pa e be so bitimi nya dem bi ewo mutiri mo and I think so say psychologically parents any a yire ne ma no omo hia say a professional na say psychologist be ebetimi ne wo mo akasa obi on because ma mi do wa kokoduro oye tafo enye easy it is not easy until me medical can be kai I remember say I lost my big sister mitimi sorry ahomache ebi on as late as 12 a.m. and that's 1 a.m. na mitimi bed so na me so like it is painful. It hurts so bad. And she said, if you have a father, na say, oh Lucy, na so free mo. Na you that any on huni kuno emma ebisa na wo so bad. Sometimes maybe sister mana na here back here in induction, and you could see say as a medical doctor. And they also near woman mammy. You could do also. I'm trying my best to be there, but I don't wish to say I can't mammy walk on them to comfort her. I really empathize with Yuri and mammy. Yameko swa and teacher or more.
Oh, hola.
Empress. God knows best. Midini could be agitated. Hi, Celebrity Updates Television. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Do not forget to also share your thoughts on this video. And until we meet again, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.